another video. Today, this is not like none of my normal videos. I mostly make videos of gaming, but not today. Today, I am gonna show you how to make a shop. So, look, if you want to make one like this, and then you want to make that like a button that you can make it like exit out of this. I will make another tutorial on how to add the game passes, but that will take me a long time. Anyways, let's get started. So first, of course, you need to go to Start GUI, add a screen GUI, and name it to Shop GUI, like how I have it right here. You're gonna make a shop button. You're gonna make a shop button. You're gonna click that you would like to make a shop button. And if you want to add an image, like I did, do it. But we're mainly focusing on this. So to start, get a text button and name it a shop button right there. Put a UI corner and put an image label. Go to decals and copy and paste them, and then you're gonna click image, just copy it and make sure it's visible. Okay, now we are gonna make the shop frame. For this, you are gonna have to get a frame, scale it. Well, I think it will be better if I just show you. You're gonna make this. You're gonna make, like I told you, you're gonna click the shop frame. You're gonna make a frame, name it shop frame. Once you're done naming it shop frame, if you make you can scale it. Once you're done with that, if you want, you can put an image label here. You make a text button, but put it X. Okay, once you're done with that, you're gonna start putting the scripts. So here for the X button to exit out, I will copy the script. It is easy. Make sure you put it in the shop frame text button. Not the shop button, the text button. And if you want, I'll just put it in the comment, and I'll put it in the comments too. Moving on to the next. script for this right here. Look, this is the script. They are very easy. I will comment him. Thank you for. Oh yeah, once the shot frame is done, do not make it visible. Take off its visible. Now you can test it. As you see, it works. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure to join my group, and I will make a playlist of Roblox Studio tutorials. Alright, hope you have a great day. Bye.